How to see watch later videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see watch later videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's just say that you happen to launch the YouTube application and you don't have time to watch a certain video that you might want to watch, and then what you normally do is you just tap the save option here and then simply add them to your watch later playlist. But then what happens is that after a couple of while, whenever you're trying to find that watch later playlist, you're not being able to do so. Well, in order to do that, you just have to tap the library icon from the bottom right of the YouTube app. After you do that, under this playlist tab, just look for watch later. In my case, it is right at the very first. If you don't see here, you might want to scrolling to the right. So go to watch later and you should be able to see a list of all the videos that you might have added to your watch later. And this way you can see watch later videos on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.